We're here at Innovative Car Sound with a 2017 Ford F-250 diesel. It was brought in today to do a Viper security system to the factory remote and the add-on SmartStart for the smartphone control app that can be downloaded to any Android or iPhone. This is the brand new Viper model ds4. Now the factory remote acts like an aftermarket alarm. Hit lock, locks the doors. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system, flashes the lights, honks the horn, sirens going off. It comes with a flashing blue LED light. And since I don't have the customer's phone on me, I'm going to show the Viper SmartStart from the computer. To start, I'm going to set off the alarm system by unlocking the door. And to make it be quiet, we just hit unlock, just like you would do on an aftermarket remote. I'm going to set everything down. There's no one sitting inside. Now we'll move to the computer. SmartStart, full control of the vehicle, lock, unlock, remote start, trunk for cars from anywhere in the United States. Hit lock. A few seconds later, locks the doors. Gives us a check mark. Hit unlock. Now that unlocked the doors, I will crank the engine, hit the SmartStart button. A few seconds later, cranks the engine up. Full security, Viper smartphone control with the add-on security to the factory remote. 2017 F-250. We can also shut it down. Select SmartStart again. Turns the engine off. We have them in stock, ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. We'll see you guys on the next one.